In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best moon lamp in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. This lunar lamp simulates the design of the actual moon very accurately and creates a calm and peaceful ambience in your room. It has an easy touch control feature that can change 7 different colors and a remote control feature that can change between 16 colors. You can also adjust the brightness of the light and set the right mood depending on the occasion. It has an inbuilt polymer lithium 500 mAh rechargeable battery, which takes 3 hours to fully charge and lasts between 15 to 30 hours depending on the brightness of the light. Number 4. Up next, we have one more levitating moon lamp to offer you from Todt. This unit is also quite premium but offers a simple yet elegant design. If you are looking for an eye-catching showpiece for your living room, you will definitely like the levitating moon lamp from Todt. The Todt levitating moon lamp does not stand out a lot with its simplistic design, but certainly catches the attention of observers with the wooden magnetic base and an exact replica of the moon for the bulb. It is 5.9 inches in size, which means it can actually be used as a light source. The Todt levitating moon lamp offers 2 different color settings that include white and yellow colors. The base of the Todt levitating moon lamp uses an upgraded magnetic levitation base, which does not take a long time to set up. Once you set up the bulb over the base, it will automatically start within 5 seconds via wireless power transfer. You can set up a timer for the bulb at 15, 30, 45 or 60 minutes for automatic turn off. Number 3. Crafted with a combination of durable claw and careful 3D printing to accurately capture the moon's many craters, this flicker-free moon lamp from Segol offers a luxurious glow to change the atmosphere of any room in the home. 16 color options in 4 modes, all handled through a touch button or an easy-to-use remote control, ensure choices that range from soft and relaxing to bright and festive. The 500 mAh battery powers the moon lamp for up to 15 hours on a single charge. Replenish the battery through the handy USB charging cable. This moon lamp is safe as a nightlight for kids' rooms, thanks to the assurance of the manufacturer's high-altitude test. At a drop of 6.5 feet, the lamp showed no damage, so parents shouldn't worry about accidental drops from a low shelf. Number 2. This lamp is made by VG which is certainly a premium option. The VG levitating moon lamp is definitely going to be one of the best additions in your house as far as decorative items are considered. It comes with a base that uses a magnetic levitation technique to keep the bulb floating mid-air. Apart from floating, you can also spin the light bulb and it will keep spinning indefinitely. Printed using 3D printing technology, VG has managed to replicate the moon's surface on the lamp to create the best effect. The VG levitating moon lamp is 6 inches in diameter and offers 3 different color modes that are white, warm yellow and a seamless transition between the two. As the base requires continuous power, you will have to keep it connected to a wall outlet via the cord provided with the package. It uses wireless power transmission technology to power the LED so that there is little to no chance of damage until the base is secured. You also get touch access with the VG levitating moon lamp. Number 1. One of the highest selling options on the market right now, produced by Levitation. As this option is such a popular choice, you should definitely take a look as it might be perfect for you as well. Coming in first place, we have the Levitation moon lamp. It is a basic moon lamp with a 4.8 inches bulb that rests on a designer stand. It is made with 3D printing, so you will certainly get a perfectly spherical shaped lamp with closed sides. And to offer more decorative options, it also features 16 different color modes which can be controlled via a dedicated remote control. The remote control works within a range of 30 feet, which allows you to control the light even from a different room. It is a battery-powered option that can be recharged directly via your computer, power bank or laptop via the USB connection. Logred also offers 24/7 support for their products so that you can always contact the brand to get technical support. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.